Hey guys, today in this video I'll show you how you can change business account to personal account in Instagram. So keep watching till the very end and let's get started. First of all, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page. Now tap on your profile icon at bottom right corner and tap on the hamburger menu. Inside it, select Settings, scroll down a little bit, Access Account and tap on Switch to Professional Account. After that, continue to the Categories tab, select one and tap on Continue. Once done, select Business. After selecting it, tap on Next, again tap on Next, and at the end, skip this step. Now that I have converted my account to a business one, I will show you the procedure to revert back to normal. For that, tap on the hamburger menu, select Settings and then Accounts. Now select Switch Account Type and switch back to Personal Account. So that's basically how you can change business account to personal account in Instagram. So that's all for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.